How to find saved videos in YouTube. If any day you are a YouTube user and you have saved some of the videos on YouTube just to watch later on the YouTube application there, but you do not know how to see it later on, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to tap on the YouTube application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search YouTube there. After you search YouTube there, you can see an interface like this. Now you can tap on the YouTube application like this. After you tap on YouTube application, YouTube will be launched on your mobile device. After YouTube is launched on your mobile device, now you can do is you can go to the option of your profile section, and here you have two options. Either you can save the videos from the option of the downloads, and by tapping on the option of the downloads, you can see the various count of downloads that you have made on your very YouTube there, and this way also you can get the access to your saved videos to the download modes. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the next option, that is you can go to the playlist there and then go to the option of watch later. And because if you have saved the videos by going to the option of the watch later, for which you also need an internet connection, you can also watch it through the option of the watch later. So these are the options on how you can see the saved videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.